Friends, let's make agua de Jamaica. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make it. Well, while I live in Mexico, I clearly remember walking down the street on a hot day, and all of a sudden I hear aguas frescas, aguas frescas. That is the sound of someone selling refreshing drinks for the heat. Today, agua de Jamaica, to refresh you and to keep you healthy. Let's do this. Today we're making 16 ounces of refreshing agua de Jamaica. We need 1 cup of dry Jamaica flower leaves, 1/4 of a cup of sugar or Stevia, or any of your flavoring sweeteners. Today I'm using Stevia. We need 4 cups of water first to boil the leaves, and I like to add 1 whole spoon of ginger powder to make it a little spicy. Boil 4 cups of water. When the water is boiling, add 1 cup of Jamaica leaves and mix. Leave it on boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes until the leaves are soft. After about 8 minutes, the leaves are soft, and now we have this bright red extract of Jamaica. Now turn the fire off and cover. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. After it cools down, using a strainer, pour it into a recipient. Pour 1/4 of cup of your favorite sweetener. Here we're using Stevia, and a whole spoon of ginger. Mix. Pour about 4 cups of ice on the serving container. Friends, it's time to try it, to taste it. It's hot, and this is a refreshing drink. Mira nomás. Why do I make drinks so perfect? I don't know, but you must make yourself agua de Jamaica. You have the recipe, it's hot, and you want to be healthy. Spice your mind, body, and soul. Creo que voy a tomar otro poquito.